So we were out on a mission in the Lombok Strait to go spearfishing. We were lucky enough to come across a manta ray. I love manta rays. They're super smart, and I've had some interactions with them in the past where I dove down, had eye contact, and made various movements, and they responded back. We had one that was just passing by, and I wanted to hang around a little bit longer, so I tried a grouper call, which works for some fish, but I had never tried on a manta before. Hang around and see what this manta does.